Hello, and welcome to my video. Ever since upgrading to a 4K monitor about a year ago, I have been needing a GPU upgrade. With the launch of the RTX graphics cards, I have decided that now was the time to upgrade my PC. This is the GIGABYTE WINDFORCE RTX 2070. In my research, this model has the most features at the $499 price point. This card includes an RGB LED, has a triple fan design, and includes a backplate. Most other cards hitting the entry-level price point don't have any of these features. Inside the box is an accessory package. This includes a quick start guide and a disk for the Aorus software for overclocking and changing the RGB modes. Here are some specs for the card. 1620 MHz is the reference boost clock, but at stock settings, it runs closer to 1800 MHz thanks to GPU boost. If you overclock this card, you can match or exceed the performance level of more expensive RTX 2070s. This card has 42 RTX ops at reference clocks. That number is also higher once overclocked. However, it remains to be seen how RTX ops translates into real-world performance. 2304 CUDA cores is almost 80% compared to an RTX 2080. This card has the full memory spec of an RTX 2080 with 8 GB of GDDR6 at 448 GB per second. The card measures 280 millimeters long, which is approximately 11 inches. This card has 3 DisplayPort 1.4, 1 HDMI 2.0, and 1 USB Type-C connection for Virtual Link. In terms of power, you'll need 1 8-pin and 1 6-pin PCIe connector, but with a power limit of 114%, the card will only draw a maximum of around 200 watts. This seems to be a very solid card. Overclocking is also very promising and easier than ever before using an OC scanner, which allows you to get a high performance, stable overclock with the push of a button. I'll post results of my overclock using an OC scanner in an upcoming video very soon. I am also looking forward to try out the RTX enabled games when they become available. This concludes this video. Thanks for watching.